All right, let's review what happened today after the CPI data came in. So we had a crazy run up. Let me drop this down into let's do a 5 minute. So the news hit, ran, okay, and then we had this huge spike up to 41.80. All right, this is in the futures market, and then we retraced that move a little bit, and then once the market opened, we ended up pretty much retracing all of the gains. So let's take a look at where we rejected, why we rejected there, and then what can we expect moving forward. So as you see here, I already have a price level at 41.78. That was the area I was looking to reject at, and that was because this is the high here on, what is this date? The 13th, I do believe. Yep. So this is a precarious position where it was at. So if it would have ran this high, opened here, well then you're looking to liquidate all buy stops here and here to push up into this target, which would be the 44.37 range. Now if I switch over to SPY and we take a look at it on the daily, this is what that looks like. So it's I mean, you could look at today's action two-sided. You could say, well, this is pretty bearish price action, right? We ran and then instantly rejected the level, retraced all the way down, and then held. Now, where did we trace down to? Well, it was the daily 200 SMA. So now we're above point of control on the yearly, and we had that gap up down into the 200 SMA. You could almost say that this was a back test. All right. So what I would look for and use as a pivot moving forward is the 200 SMA. So this is about 402.50 cents. And we're about 402.94 in after hours right now. So as long as that level holds, we could stay long and we would look to begin our run up to run these buy stops. I feel like since we were rejected here, that's the line in the sand. So you could go down into a lower time span. We could say on the hourly, we have 401.79 as our upper value area. 395.49 is that point of control. And then on the 15-minute, we have 398.43 as the lower, or as the upper value area. Now we have more news coming tomorrow, and that's going to really lead us into our trend. If what JPOW says leads the market into a rally, then it's a good opportunity to get long. However, if for whatever reason it leads into downside, right? We'd be looking to see does 395.49 hold? All right. And if it doesn't, then our next price target down would be to run these lows here, which would be a break below 390. And then we would be targeting 372.85. All right. Now I would trade lightly. Obviously, I did say that I was bearish, and I was long puts heading into this huge move up. Luckily, I was able to capture some of the upside on the futures market. So that decreased the dent that I felt. And if we are to break above the 41.7804, we would be targeting that 42.64 or 42.50 area. All right. So I could see this movement happening, right? And you could see this. Well, this almost looks like a inverse head and shoulders, especially if we clear above here. But these can be ran to come here and then to break back down. So I still want to see a retracement of this candle here. This is what I'm waiting for. But just keep this in mind, these levels in for tomorrow. So I would play 402.50 as support, go long there. And then if 401.90 or 401.79 is lost, then I would look for the downside to 395.49. Those are the two levels. All right. I'll catch you guys during the weekend. Hopefully you're able to make some money. And if not, I hope that you are hedged.